Now equations. So we have these examples. So examples from different past examination papers. So we have 2024, 2023, 2022, as well as 2020. Okay. So we're going to start with 2024. So we are told to solve this equation. So the equation is 4y plus 5 is equal to 3 open brackets 2y minus 1 close. So we have 4y plus 5 is equal to we have 3 open brackets 2y minus 1. So what we're going to do in this case is step number 1, we're going to remove the brackets, okay, by multiplying this 3 by what is inside. So meaning 3 times 2y as well as 3 times negative 1. So we're going to say 4y plus 5 is equal to 3 times 2y, you get 6y. 3 times negative 1, you get negative 3. Okay? So now after doing this, what we're going to do is we're going to group the like terms. So this one, we have 4y and we have 6y. These two are like terms. Okay, so y terms together. So we're going to have 4y this side. Now we're going to transpose this. This is positive 6. We're going to transpose it on the other side. We're going to have negative or minus 6y is equal to, we have negative 3 this side. Then we're also going to transpose this on the other side. So this is positive. When you transpose it on the other side, you're going to have negative 5. So 4y minus 6y, you're going to get negative 2y is equal to negative 3 minus 6 gets negative 8. Then for us to remain with y, we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is negative 2. So you say over negative 2 over negative 2. So these are going to go, we're going to remain with y is equal to negative into negative is positive, 2 into 8, you obtain what? 4. So let's look at this other one. 2023, we are told to solve y plus 4 open brackets y minus 3 is equal to 3y. Okay? So step number 1, what we are going to do in this case is we're going to remove the brackets. Okay, by multiplying this 4 by what is inside. Okay? So we have y plus 4 times y, you get 4y. 4 times negative 3, you get negative 12 is equal to 3y. Okay? So at this point, we can add these two. These are like terms. Okay? We can add these two. So y plus 4y, we're going to have 5y. Then this one and this one like terms. So we're going to group them. So this is positive 3. When you transpose this positive on the other side, you're going to have what? Negative 3y is equal to, now this is positive 12. When you transpose this positive on the other side, you're going to have this is negative 12. When you transpose, you're going to have positive what? 12. Okay? So 5y minus 3y, you obtain 2y is equal to positive 12. So for us to remain with y, we're going to divide both sides by 2. Okay? So these two are going to go, we're going to have y is equal to 2 into 12, get what? 6. Okay? Then let's look at this other one, which is 2022. So 2022, we are told to solve this equation. So we have x over 2 is equal to 3x minus 1. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to balance the equation. Okay? So we have the numerator and denominator on this side. At this side, we only have the what? The numerator. So we're going to divide by a neutral number which is 1 to balance. Okay? Then you cross multiply 1 times x and 2 times 3x minus 1. Okay? So let's proceed. So when we apply to these two, okay, this 2 by 3x minus 1, then this 1 by x. Okay, so I'm saying I'm going to multiply 2 multiplied by 3x minus 1 is equal to, in 1 times x, we just get what? X. So let's multiply now. 2 times 3x, we get 6x. 2 times negative 1, we get negative 2 is equal to x. Okay? So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to group the like terms. So x terms together. So we have 6x. Now this is positive x. When you transpose this positive on the other side, we're going to have negative or minus x is equal to, this is negative 2. When you transpose this on the other side, we're going to have positive 2. Okay, so you can simplify this and say 6x minus x, you get 5x is equal to positive 2. So for us to remain with x, just divide both sides by 5. So over 5 over 5. So these are going to go, we're going to remain with x is equal to 2 over 5. Okay, so let's look at this other one, which is 2020. So we are told to solve 3 open brackets 2 minus y close is equal to y minus 14. Okay, step number 1, guys, we're going to remove the brackets by multiplying 3 times 2 and 3 times the negative y. So 3 times 2 get 6. 3 times negative y get negative 3y. Okay, is equal to positive y minus 14. So at this point, we're going to group the like terms. So y terms together. So we're going to have negative 3y this side. When we transpose, this is a positive. So when we transpose this positive y on the other side, we're going to have negative y is equal to, we have negative 14 this side. Okay, and then when we transpose this positive 6 on the other side, we're going to have negative 6. So we're going to have, when we simplify this one, 3y minus y gets negative 4y is equal to negative 14 minus 6 get negative 20. Okay, now for us to remain with y, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is negative 4. So it's over negative 4 over negative 4. So these are going to go, we are going to remain with y is equal to negative into negative is positive. Then 4 into 20 get positive what? Positive 5. Okay?